Disclosure. This educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
What if I told you that you've been using artificial intelligence all day, that you've been guided by it, entertained by it, and assisted by it before you even sat down to watch this video? AI isn't a far-off science fiction fantasy. It's the invisible engine powering our modern world. But what is it really? Is it a helpful assistant, a potential threat, or something entirely different? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most transformative technologies ever created. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the capability of a machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This isn't about building a robotic person. It's about creating systems that can learn, reason, solve problems, perceive their environment, and make decisions. The key thing to understand is that AI is a broad umbrella term. It's not one single thing. Think of it like the term vehicle, which could be a bicycle, a car, or a jumbo jet. Similarly, under the AI umbrella, we have everything from the simple recommendation engine on your favorite shopping site to the incredibly complex systems that can generate human-like text and art. To understand how AI works, let's look at the key goals that AI researchers have been pursuing since the field was officially born in 1956. These are the superpowers we retrying to give machines: reasoning and problem solving, creating algorithms that can work through puzzles and make logical deductions, much like a human playing a game of chess. Knowledge representation, giving AI the ability to store and work with real-world facts. This is about building a massive, interconnected web of knowledge that a program can query and use. Planning and decision-making. This is where AI acts as an agent. It perceives its environment, whether it is a virtual game world or a physical robot in a warehouse, and takes actions to achieve a specific goal, weighing the potential outcomes to make the best choice. Natural language processing, NLP. This is the magic that allows machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's what lets you talk to your smart speaker and powers the chatbots you interact with online. Perception. Using sensors like cameras and microphones, AI can perceive the world. Computer vision, for instance, allows it to identify objects, recognize faces, and interpret scenes from images and video. Learning. And this might be the most crucial one of all. Machine learning is a subset of AI that gives systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed for every single task. It's the technology that allows AI to get smarter over time. So, how do we give machines these abilities? The most revolutionary approach in recent years has been machine learning. Instead of giving a computer a strict rule book, we show it massive amounts of data and let it find patterns and rules for itself. And within machine learning, there's a particularly powerful technique called deep learning. This uses artificial neural networks, computational models, loosely inspired by the human brain. These networks have layers of interconnected neurons that process information. When data is fed in, the network adjusts the connections between these neurons to get better and better at its task. Whether that's spotting a cat in a photo or translating a sentence from English to Spanish. This brings us to the technology you've probably been hearing about: generative AI. Models like ChatGPT and DALL-E are powered by deep learning. They are trained on enormous datasets, essentially a huge portion of the internet, to learn the underlying patterns of human language and creativity. When you give them a prompt, they use this learned model to generate a brand new piece of text, image, or code that fits your request. The applications of this technology are already transforming our world. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, enabling self-driving cars to navigate, protecting your bank account from fraud, and even helping scientists discover new drugs. But with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI also forces us to confront critical ethical questions. How do we prevent AI from inheriting and amplifying human biases present in its training data? What happens to jobs that can be automated? How do we ensure these powerful systems are used safely and for the benefit of humanity? These are not just technical questions. They are societal ones that we all need to engage with. The ultimate goal for some researchers is artificial general intelligence, AGI, a machine that can understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem a human can. But it's It's crucial to know. Hagi does not exist yet. What we have today is often called narrow AI, incredibly skilled systems that are masters of their specific domain, but lack the general, adaptable intelligence of a human. So, what is it? It's not a mysterious black box or a Hollywood villain. It's a tool, a powerful extension of human capability. It is a field of science dedicated to building machines that can help us solve some of our most complex challenges. Its story is still being written, not just by coders in Silicon Valley, but by all of us. It's a technology that will be shaped by the choices we make, the ethics we uphold, and the future we want to build. AI is here. The question now is, how will we use it? Thank you for watching. If this journey into the world of artificial intelligence sparked your curiosity, please like this video, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what aspect of AI would you like us to explore next.